Mm. Hello guys, today we are going to discuss some of the important questions regarding to Indian polity which are important to one day exam, any competitive exam. Uh, for that I am here prepared 10 questions that are directly asked in any competitive exams. First, here is the question that the first attempt to introduce a representative and popular elements in governance of India was made through which acts? It is an important question and it was made through Indian Council Act 1861. Then second question is which acts introduced communal electorate in India? Basically, communal electorate means a separate electorate, which we mean usually demanded by the minorities who feel it otherwise be difficult for them to get fair representation in government. For example, there was a demand for Muslims, means that Muslim will choose the separate leader by separate election for Muslims. This means here is the question: which acts introduce communal electorate in India? This question's answer is Indian Council Act 1909. ठीक? And the Lord Minto was the father of communal electorate. Then third question is saying the monopoly of Indian trade of East India Company was abolished by which act? Means in which act the total power of East India Company has been abolished, and it was the act called Charter Act 1833. 1833. In this act, it has been mentioned that the Governor General of Bengal become the Governor General of India. Governor General of Bengal became the Governor General of India, and law becomes acts. Law becomes acts, and East India Company will act as the trust for British position in India. Basically, this is the more about the Charter Act. Then next question was who was the chairman of Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? The question answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the most important question which can be asked in any competitive exam like SSC, CGL, CISL, MTS. Then fifth question is who presided over the first meeting of Indian Constituent Assembly? Means किसने पहली बार इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली का मीटिंग में प्रेसिडेंट की भागीदारी की थी? उसका आंसर है डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा, क्योंकि सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा कहा जाता है कि वो सबसे बुजुर्ग आदमी थे जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली बनाया जा रहा था। तो इसका प्रपोज बहुत पहले से चल रहा था, मतलब 1932 से चल रहा था। ये पहले व्यक्ति थे MN रॉय जिसने ये आइडिया प्रपोज किया था कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली का। देन 1935 को कांग्रेस ने बोला था कि हमें एक अलग सा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली दे दो, लेकिन इस ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने कहा था 1942 में शायद अगस्त ऑफर लेके आए थे एक गाजर मूली की तरह, ले बेटा ये खा ले, बाद में हम तुम्हें देते हैं और कुछ दिस टाइप. Then next question 6 said that who said that it is a post dated check of following bank? It is a most important statement of महात्मा गांधी. मतलब ये ऐसा एक स्टेटमेंट था जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली का मतलब बना रहे थे, मतलब डिमांड कर रहे थे इंडिया के लोग, लेकिन ब्रिटिशर्स बोल रहे थे कि आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर ख़त्म हो जाए, वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड ख़त्म हो जाए तब देंगे. देन महात्मा गांधी सेड दैट इट इज़ ए पोस्ट डेटेड चेक ऑफ फॉलोइंग बैंक. Question 7. Who was the chairman of Provisional Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? This question answer is Sardar Patel. Then 8th question saying that how many sessions of Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? मतलब टोटल कितने सेशन लगे थे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाने में? तो उसका आंसर है 11 सेशन. देन क्वेश्चन 9. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly of Independent India? This is easy question and it is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then the Supreme Court of India was set up by in which act? It is again an important question and its answer is Regulating Act 1773. Thank you guys.